Welcome to the future. The year is 2050. Technology has become so deeply integrated into our lives that the world looks almost unrecognizable. Imagine waking up in a house that isn't just smart, it's alive. The walls adjust their transparency to let in the perfect amount of light. Your bed monitors your health and gently wakes you at the right moment in your sleep cycle. Your personal AI assistant is no longer just a voice. It appears as a hologram. Cities in 2050 are vertical. Skyscrapers stretch far above the clouds, guided by AI traffic controllers. Medicine has advanced to levels once thought impossible. Nanobots swim through your bloodstream, repairing damaged cells. Diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's are no longer deadly threats. They are manageable conditions. The average human lifespan has extended beyond 100 years, and biohacking has become a cultural norm. People upgrade their bodies the way we once upgraded smartphones. But with every breakthrough comes a new challenge. Privacy has all but vanished. Every action, every thought, is analyzed and stored by powerful AI systems. The line between human and machine blurs as more people choose to upload parts of their consciousness to the digital world. The question is, will we still be human as we know it, or something entirely new?